Is Cosmos Atom a good investment? Well, let's talk about it here in this video. Make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content every single day. I'm bringing you something here and adding value so you make better decisions out there and have more tools in your toolbox, if you will. So, I will say this: Cosmos Atom is one that I've been looking at for a long time. I finally came around to buying some last night. Of course, it's not financial advice. However, I added some Cosmos at the $12.20 range. It has boosted up a little bit from there. We can see in the last 24 hours, the low point for Cosmos was 12.18. The high point was 12.95. Now, listen, back in June, you could have got this thing for even less than this. It was around $7 and some change. But I've been doing some due diligence and I wanted to add this to my overall portfolio. This brings my overall portfolio now up to 29 different cryptos in the top 100. I update this list all the time as I make moves for my private community members in my Patreon. That link can be found down below in the description. But in this video, I want to talk about Cosmos and why I decided to jump in. All right. So, Cosmos is an interesting project that is really gaining some legs, and it's in the smart contract space. There are some things that make it unique that really stuck out to me as a potential investor before I decided to invest, that eventually got me over the hill. And lo and behold, I jumped in last night. Now, I didn't go all in here, okay? I'm looking at it as, okay, I've got an opening position here. We'll see what the market does. If it dips below my entry point there at $12.20, I'll look to add a little bit more along the way. So, Atom is the native token of the Cosmos Hub blockchain. Now, as a governance token, owning the coin also gives its holders a say in how the project should proceed, right? Similar to a DAO. Now, a top 25 cryptocurrency by market cap, I like that, right? Currently, it is ranked number 22 on the big board. Atom has been has a trading history rather, going back all the way to 2017. So I like that it's been around for a very long time. One of the things I'm doing right now in this downturn in the market, diversifying my portfolio and getting more top 100 cryptos in my portfolio. In addition to that, I'm really looking more into stocks because I've been so heavily weighted in crypto, which we know is highly volatile. I need to balance that out a little bit, but it has a solid track record still in these last 5 years. Now, Cosmos aims to make blockchains more developer friendly, also hopes to directly enable more seamless communication between different blockchain networks. Trading around that $12.30 range right now. It's got a market cap of currently 3.5 billion, so it's not a small cap by any means. But I like that we have an opportunity here when this thing comes back to really make some nice ground up. So you could see what's going on here in the alt chart. You could see where it bottomed out back in June. It got actually less than $7, which was a good time to get in here. It's actually doubled since then, but it has dialed back a little bit here in the last month. You can see this thing was actually back in September up at $16.89. We're kind of back down here where the support level hit back on the 2nd of October. This is why I like it as an entry point right now. It works for me. And again, it's going to be a long-term hold in my portfolio. Now, let me take you into this article a little bit, give you a little bit more insight and information here. So, Cosmos is quickly emerging as a major competitor to leading smart contract platform Ethereum. This, according to Capital.com, by offering developers the ability to create highly customizable independent blockchains. I like this idea. The fact that it's highly customizable, making it easier for developers to come in and build. Now, the migration of projects to the Cosmos Atom ecosystem gained attention back in June when leading Ethereum-based futures contracts exchange DYDX announced plans to build a standalone blockchain on Cosmos. Now, crypto insiders expect many more decentralized applications to follow DYDX in search of customizability and scale to form application chains or app chains. So the Atom price has reacted positively to the announcement, gaining over 111% in the last 3 months. That's from its low point back in June, okay? This was as of the 15th of September. So yeah, I missed the bottom, right? But it's okay because I'm playing the long game here. And again, in the last week, we've seen some dramatic fall off here. And I want to get in there at a decent price point and see where things go from here. I'll be keeping tabs on Cosmos when big things happen. I'll be, talking about it here as well. So Cosmos is dubbed the Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos is a layer 0 blockchain network that provides developers with open source frameworks to build public proof of stake blockchains. So it was founded back in 2016. It aims to build an ecosystem of independent, customizable, and interconnected blockchains. According to its website, popular Cosmos backed chains include the Binance chain, Thor chain, and crypto.org or Crow. So Cosmos blockchains can interact through its architecture of zones. Users can build multi-asset public proof of authority and proof of stake blockchains here. The network's focus is on customizability and interoperability, which sets it apart from other blockchain networks such as Ethereum. See, what I'm trying to do here is I have a strong position in Ethereum. I want to take some of the competitors and add those to my portfolio as well in case they slowly start to make a dent into Ethereum's market cap. I don't think Ethereum's going anywhere anytime soon. But I do think some of these competitors are learning from some of the mistakes made by Ethereum, or maybe even not mistakes, just some of the things that happen when you're first, right? People look to fill in the gaps. So they're looking to see what does Ethereum not do well, and let's do that one thing well. That's what Cosmos is trying to do. Cardano is doing that. Solana is doing that. That's why I own all three of those as well, in addition to my large Ethereum holding. Hopefully this helps, gives you a nice perspective. Let me know what you think about it down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you all in the next video.